Hey guys, if you know me, you know I usually go with natural elements to go in my resin pieces. I did get a bunch of wonderful pigments from Fox Rizzle resin, and I figured, hey, what the hell, let's have some fun. So I have a bunch of those in metallics. We have some glitters. We even have some glow-in-the-dark stuff, which kind of gave me a little bit of a scare when I turned off my light one day after I was done in the studio. And some nice opals, which I just tried out a little bit with the pour I just did. And I actually really like them. So I figured, you know, let's have some fun. I have some glitter here from who knows where. And some Illumilite resin dye in white and black, and also some alcohol inks. This one is silver, actually. That's fun. And they're jacquard. I have no idea how to say that. But yeah, pinata. And this pour mold has seen better days, but we'll just go with it for right now. I do want to get more of these guys so I don't go through and waste these. I love these so much. You can really get a controlled pour, and they're super cheap on the internets. So I'm gonna grab some resin and we'll get going. it is now the next day, and I'm going to demold these. I'm super interested to see what they look like on the other side. I'm going to start with this one, and I all did them basically the same way. Okay, this one came out interesting. So here we have some of the opals and the glitters kind of staying to the bottom, silver leaf, very interesting color combinations. So actually I like that one, very cool. And we'll try this one. Oh, okay, so this one is a layered one. So I did a layer underneath just the plain resin one, and very cool. Gives you kind of more of a sunken in feeling than this one. I would like to see more spreading though, but still kind of awesome. Can't really see the ink dye on this side, which is interesting. And we'll try this guy. Okay. So for this one, my favorite so far, looks like some of the little things that fell out of the bottle while I was unscrewing it have embedded themselves, and it's actually really cool. And here you can see some of the clear pour, but none of the white alcohol ink actually sunk to the bottom. Very interesting. This one is another double layer. Yes, and here we can see the alcohol ink section here with the clear pour. It's a little bit more pronounced, while the metallics kind of take over and reduce the transparency. Oh, this one came out cool too. Again, don't really see the alcohol ink coming through, so if you do use metallics with alcohol ink, I would use them in moderation because they do kind of take over the piece. And then our final piece. Yes, okay. So yeah, we have a little bit of that white showing through, but overall I would go not heavy on the metallic shimmer because it takes over. But yes, let me know in the comments which is your favorite, and would you wear these? I hope this was helpful to you if you're thinking about mixing different materials together, or what kind of colors from Fox Rizzle. I'm still gonna try and do some experiments with these, but yeah, overall I'm pretty happy with the results. Thanks guys.